Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see about Moto G Stylus 5G eSIM compatibility and its features, supported features, setup, and limitations. Step 1, you need to verify your hardware compatibility and EID. Before purchasing a digital data plan, ensure your phone possesses an embedded identity document, that's the EID number, which confirms the presence of an internal eSIM chip. The dial code check. You can open your phone's dialer app, type star hash 06 hash and press call. If an EID barcode and number appears on your screen alongside your IMEI, your device is eSIM ready. For settings verification, you can alternatively navigate to settings, select network and internet, and then go to mobile network. Look for a button or text option labeled as add eSIM or add carrier. If it is present, your device supports digital profiles. Step 2, set up and activate the eSIM profile. Once you confirm compatibility, you can digitally provision your line over the air using a Wi-Fi connection. To connect to Wi-Fi, ensure your phone is connected to a stable wireless internet network. The device cannot download the mandatory carrier configuration profile over an unactivated cellular connection. Scan the provisioning code, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, then go to Mobile Network and tap on Add eSIM. Complete the camera handshake. The system will launch your phone's camera interface, align the camera viewer with the QR code provided by your carrier or travel data provider such as Arelo or Holafly. Follow the automated on-screen prompts to register the network. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.